Larson Electronics has custom surveillance towers. Made and assembled here at our Texas-based facility, our trailers include leveling jacks. You can add wireless cameras, lighting, and other equipment to the masthead. Grab power from the sun using our solar security towers with slide-out solar panels. Masts can be elevated with manual crank, an electric winch, or a pneumatic mast. Our masts can reach a height of up to 50 feet. Add a network video recorder to capture footage from the wireless cameras. We have pan, tilt, and zoom cameras, or static mount cameras. A job box can be added to house lighting controls and electrical components. So take your security up to the next level with Larson Electronics custom surveillance towers. Contact us with your customization needs and we'll build a surveillance tower to meet your specifications. American made and manufactured. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.